Hi, welcome again to my channel, Play Drums the Easy Way, right? A channel for beginners and then eventually, for persons who want to be more advanced in playing drums. Thank you so much for joining. All right, so in this lesson, we're actually going to be covering at least step 6, 7, and 8, and we're going to be adding beats, all right, to the bass drum. All right, and so we want you to, as often as you can, look over the videos so that you can learn more and ensure that you catch your beats, all right, and you have them really pat, and ready to go. So let's go with step 6, 7, and 8. So with step 6, we're going to be playing beats on, as I say, adding on beats on the bass drum. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Even slower. One more time. Go not faster. Right, so that was step 6. We're going to go right on to step 7, right? So step 7, the song like. I'm going to take it slow. Right, and the last one, right, we're going to be playing it and then we're going to go over all 3 of them, right? So, no beat is too hard to learn. If you are consistent, if you are persistent, all right, you can